Now that we're done tossing the tomatoes around. This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano. And today, we're making a summer salad. But before we get to that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network. And we also have a new Instagram and Facebook page. And if you want to slide in those DMs, send us some ideas, send us some photos of cooking. Hey, go Bridgeside. So this is what you're gonna need to make my summer salad. Some string beans, red onions, salt, potatoes, tomatoes, red wine vinegar, a little club soda, and some olive oil. All right, so I got some water boiling, and what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna throw my string beans in. Stump that right in. All right, so the string beans need to cook for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna grab some potatoes. Now I already boiled these potatoes. I boil them with the skin on. I do that because it helps prevent the potato from retaining some water, okay? You wanna boil them for about 30 to 40 minutes. We did that and we saved ourselves some time. Now we're gonna cut these potatoes up. Cut them right in half.
Damn, that's a nice dish of potatoes you got there.
I know you love potatoes, Dave. I came prepared today. So we're gonna grab some olive oil and we're gonna drizzle that right on top. It'll be generous, but not too generous, because we're gonna use this olive oil again. Then we're gonna grab our red wine vinegar. I'm gonna pour a little bit on top. Then if you were wondering about the club soda, it's a little secret my mother does. She adds a little bit of club soda so the potatoes don't stick together, and it adds a little bit of juice right to the salad. And we're gonna grab some salt. Give it a little bit of salt there. And then we're gonna mix it up just a little bit. Then we're gonna grab our tomatoes, kind of like grenades. And we're gonna dice these tomatoes up.
Hey Dan, is it all right if I have one, please?
Shocking, Dave, because usually you never ask. Kid always just grabs and eats.
I'm learning.
But since you did ask, you can have as many as you'd like.
Thank you.
See what happens when you have some manners? Now we're gonna grab our tomatoes and we're gonna dress it up. Again, same routine. Olive oil first.
I like the spin you got there.
Like that. Red wine vinegar, our red onions.
I like how you dress everything individually.
Yeah, and there's a reason why I do that. You don't need to know. And some salt. And then we're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna put that to the side because I like to add the tomatoes and the onions last. Our string beans are done. We're gonna shut the flame and we're gonna grab these string beans. Grab it.
Oh, it's hot.
Grab the olive oil again, drizzle it right on. Our red wine vinegar, you guys know the drill by now, and a little salt. Not too much because we already got the salt in the tomatoes and the potatoes. Like Dr. Zeus today.
You sure it's Dr. Zeus?
Whatever.
Or Dr. Seuss? Was he Greek?
Zeus. He's a Greek god, and he wrote great books. The ones I can still read.
Is it because you're blind or illiterate?
A little bit of both, to be honest with you. All right, so the string beans are ready. Now, I'm gonna throw the string beans on top of the potatoes. All right, we're gonna layer it right out. And then our tomato and onions right on top.
Can't wait to go to town on this one.
The string beans are still a little hot. This is a refreshing dish. You want this served nice and cold. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this in the fridge for about an hour, and then you can serve it.
Wait, you're gonna have me wait an hour for this?
Dave, I got you. What we did is we already had one prepared for you, Dave.
Oof. Usually I get the dishes served right to me.
And this we'll eat later on. The whole crew can enjoy it. Voila, it's like magic. Cool down with my summer salad. Well, my mother's summer salad. Dave, it's time to grab you a dish, pal.
It's about time.
And I'll dish this out for you.
Wait, you know what? There's no need to waste a clean dish. I'll just take this. Thank you very much. Look at the beautiful colors. You have the nice colors of the Italian flag. You got the red, the white, and the green. It's beautiful.
Very observant, Dave.
So refreshing. It's cooling me down instantly. And anybody knows me, I sweat a lot, so
Yeah, that
could
you
use
do.
this every day with me.
That he does. You should eat a summer salad even in the winter.
Delicious. You have the crunch of the red onion, the string beans, absolutely delicious. Thank you very much. You always outdo yourself.
All right, Dave, buddy, I'm gonna have to stop you.
Why?
You're concerning me a little bit. You're eating too quick. You're eating too much. Think you cooled down. Why don't you go outside and take some sun, get all hot again, then we'll serve you some more.
Perfect.
This has been another Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano. Thank you for watching and stay cool, my friends.
Go Bridgeside.
Guys, thank you for watching. This has been another Cookin' in Brooklyn. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network. Make sure you check out our paisans at Hardcore Italian. Great memes, hysterical, awesome merchandise through the roof.